I would like to be able to navigate my garage, and I would like to be able to do that and get a screwdriver without having to employ ninja moves to step over and under and around the clutter on my garage floor. Of course, that's just a harbinger of a shed to be coming to my backyard. I could go out and spend on a pre-cut, pre-made shed from like a big box store, but what's the fun in that, right? Like, there's no adventure in that. There's no danger. So I'm buying my own supplies with my own plans to build the shed according to my specifications. So I bought the stuff. It is sitting in my garage. We are about to embark on building the shed. All I did to level these things, by the way, was on each of these corners, I did a couple of screws here like this and used just a string, nylon string, and then I just used a good old string level. Thanks for helping. All right, you want to know the plan? Here's the plan. We got to fasten these together. We're going to use this thing. See this? Yeah, that thing. Yeah, we're gonna use that on the bottom underneath there to try to keep these things together and level. Hopefully it'll hold it in place. What do you think? Will that work? Okay, that'll work. So we got the foreman's approval. Gotta watch out for that step there. It's a doozy. This part of the project is called Wait for the Rain, to smash down the ground and firm it up a lot. It has nothing to do with the fact that it's raining and it's supposed to be rainy and snowy this week and really cold, and I didn't want to shovel 8-ish cubic yards of gravel to my backyard. It has nothing to do with that. Geotextile fabrics. Under driveway fabric stuff. Should we go lay it down? Should we put it over there? Okay. Help me unfold it. Okay, help me unfold it. Good job. Okay, you grab it. Good job. Good job. Okay. Great. Excellent. Good job. And 10.5 kicks. All right, good. Okay, can I have it? Got a big shovel full? So for me, ordering supplies, I know that there's people out there who are against going to the big box stores and like, be a real man, go to a lumber yard. So for me, I would much rather go shop online and do one big massive order on the computer, make a spreadsheet of all the supplies that I need, count it 37 times, make sure that I'm right, which I'll still be wrong. Make one big huge order from one of the big box stores, have them deliver it. It was, what was it, like $70 something to have them deliver everything to my, including these 16-foot boards that there's no way that I'm fitting in the back of my minivan. Here's one pallet of 2. This one has my trim there, my, well, here's the LP smart panel trim, the fascia, the soffit. Totally worth it to me to be able to just tell them what I need, let them load it up on their truck, get it out of the store, right? I've actually had great success with ordering supplies. The J channel, the drip edge somewhere. Here's drip edge, shingles, and a lawnmower. You know, I'm one of those people who will go into the Lowe's and Home Depot and find a board, like look down the board, make sure that it's straight. For me, I've had great luck with letting them do the picking of the boards. My suspicion is that they really want to make sure that their customers are getting good stuff when they're ordering it, because they don't want to deal with the hassle of like, hey, I ordered 100 2x4s and 7 of them are warped, and so go bring me 7, you know, like, they don't want to deal with that. It looks like the supplies were generally pretty good. There's 1 or 2 that looked a little wonky, but that's forgivable and I can still use those probably. So I ordered it, they delivered it. I didn't have to worry about navigating the store. It just showed up on my driveway. Totally worth the delivery fee of less than $100. I'm hoping, this will be a miracle if this actually works. I am hoping that by the time this shed is done, I'm going to have minimal trips back to the store to get additional supplies. I am hoping that I ordered everything in my one order. We'll see. According to my past projects, that is very unlikely to happen, but I'd like to think that I actually did it right this time. Let's get started with building shed. So this is what I did last night. Stacked all the wood up like this, spaced out, so that it could actually dry out. By the way, if your wife ever asks you, honey, why are we saving those little scraps of wood? Why do we need those? Then you can tell your wife and say, we need them. I don't know why we need them. I don't know why we need them, but we just need them.
That's why I keep craft supplies. I never know when I'll need a sparkly star, but I'm gonna keep it.
Hey, along with these videos that you're seeing, I have shed plans available for sale. They are linked in the video description, and they're based on the plans for the shed that you're seeing built in these videos. They're slightly modified and simplified to the if I were to do it again version. I try to make them very visual and make it very clear on what needs to happen, as well as putting in some good descriptions and tips along the way. My hope is that the plans will be useful to you in your shed project and help you avoid some of the pitfalls and headaches along the way, and also save you some time and hassle in planning for it. Use that if it's helpful to you, and thanks for the support for me and my family. Thanks for watching, and best wishes on your project.